So hi guys, what's up good people? How you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. Call me Emma guys. So in today's video I'm going to clean with you. This is a continuation of the previous video and we're going to do more cleaning, more working and all that stuff. So guys, it was just unfortunate that I deleted the first clip when I started cleaning, and I deleted it in everything. So just bear with me, watch this video until the end. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so guys, I was watching a movie and I do not have a throw blanket, so I use this blanket as a throw blanket, and I was just folding it to put it in place in the other bedroom, then continue with the cleaning. Once I'm done with that, I was going to remove the cushions and dust below the cushions because it carries a lot of dirt, I believe so. So I'm just going to dust off the cushions using my hand. I do not have a brush for that, and then continue with the cleaning. Once I'm done with the dusting, I'm just going to take a damp piece of cloth, then wipe use it to wipe the seat. Okay, so guys, continue watching this video until the end. Please stay with me until the end. Choke. I feel a bit tired, but anyway, I just have to do this. I got this kakito. I think I'm gonna use it as a candle holder. I've not even washed it yet. I'm going to use it as a candle holder. I bought it at 150 shillings. I thrifted it also. And this flower vase, I don't still have flowers to put inside here. This one I bought it for 200 shillings. They look really nice. Guys, I'm thinking of planning to change this TV stand. It looks, I don't like how it looks anymore. So I just have to get rid of it and find another one, hopefully soon. So yeah, I'm gonna put this here so that I can clean them later, then wipe this area.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say.
So I want to clean up here. Hizi mavitu zimekaa vibaya. Uko wapi hizo vitambaa? There's nothing. There's nothing. Kila kitu imeisha, imebakisha tu sukari kidogo. Unga saini 200 po. Where are we heading to? Unga ugali 215. I saw that in the supermarket and I almost cried. You see, it's that time of the month that everything in the house imeisha. Mnaosha tu ndo mnaeka hivyo zikiwa empty.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels.
This is a birthday cake that was left with my friend. It looks really dirty. And I'm just going to remove everything. These eggs is in mauchafu za mayai. And then I agree, my fridge right now has nothing. It doesn't have a lot of things. So I'm just going to work with what I have until end month. Until I do another grocery haul. So this is it about it. Okay, kilijipaka ikames nini kila kitu. So I'm just going to remove it. And then this one I'm supposed to give my nephews. They're supposed to come and get it. I'm just going to pack it well and give them. Then hii ni capsicum nafata kutupa sasa imekuwa mzee. Imezeka hata sasa. It's more than
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know.
So guys, this is my fridge at the moment. It has only water, some what is it called, spices, and some few sodas over there, water, frozen rice, and then ice cream. I don't have shopping right now, but I'm working on that sooner. So guys, I'm just going to finish up cleaning here. I've cleaned everything, so I'm just left with down here, then I'm done with up here, then I'll be done. So guys, I am done cleaning, and this is everything. I had washed the carpet and it was outside airing, so it looks very clean and new. And now this is my living room. That is my 2-seater. I'm just going to do a quick one on this. And now this is my other 3-seater. I have that over here still, sijaosha, because I don't have those vacuum cleaners and that, but I'll just wipe them someday. And yeah, that is it about the living room. This is the kitchen, and everything looks sparkling clean. I'm not just boiling water for, I'm hungry now, I need to eat. That is everything, and everything is sparkling clean. I'm hoping to be doing more of these kinds of videos. If you like this kind of videos, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on that notification bell so that anytime I get to upload a new video, you get notified. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Until next time, bye and keep safe.